This video tutorial will go through the steps to re-enroll your children for the upcoming school year. Using your computer, tablet, or cell phone, pick the internet browser app of your choice to begin. Go to the website powerschool.psdr3.org. Your screen should look like this. Now fill out the fields with your username and password. Once you have the correct information in, click Sign In. If you forgot your username or password, there's a link you can use to help retrieve that information. Click on the Forgot Username or Password link located below your login information. Depending on which information you need, click on either the Forgot Password tab or the Forgot Username tab. Fill in the information that it asks for and then click Enter. Now, please open up your email to get access to that information that has been sent to you. Now that you have the correct information typed in, click Sign In. All of your children that were previously enrolled at Pattonville will be listed here at the top. Make sure you see the navigation bar on the left-hand side of your screen, along with all of these options listed below it. If the navigation bar is missing, click this little arrow on the left-hand side to bring it up. Now you can see all the available options. Choose your first child that you would like to re-enroll for the following school year. Now scroll down and choose Returning Student Registration. It's now going to ask you for your child's date of birth to make sure you have the right student. You must use the correct format before clicking Continue, otherwise it will not let you move on to the next section. In this example, the child was born on February 13, 2005. You'll notice the format is 02/13/2005. Below are some other examples of dates and how you would enter them before clicking Continue. Here's what it would look like when you do it. Once I enter it in the correct format, I'm going to click Continue. Now you are ready to re-register your child. You'll have some information here at the beginning to read, and then click Next to begin. Clicking the globe icon at the top of the screen allows you to switch between English and Spanish. You'll notice on the left-hand side you have 6 sections that need to be filled out. Go through each section. If the information filled in is correct, click Next. If there's something you need to change, this would be the time to change that information or update it. You'll also notice on the left-hand side that any section that you're on will be highlighted in blue as you go through this form. It's very important that you click Next each time you complete a section to move on to the next section. This is an example of what you'll experience when you go through to re-register each child. When you get to the Required Agreement section, you can click on the Behavior Guide link to open up the Behavior Guide to preview before agreeing. Please take the time to read through every agreement in its entirety before making your selection. When you're finished with the Agreement section, click the Next button to go to the Final Signature section. When you're finished filling out the information on the Electronic Signature section, click Next to submit your form. A final summary page will appear. You'll notice I have one section that's still in red. That means there's some information still missing. On the left-hand side, click on the section missing the information and go through it one more time to make sure all the information has been updated or entered in before clicking Next. Now that everything is updated in my signature page, when I click Next, you'll notice that all my sections are green. Now I can submit my enrollment form for this child. At the top of the page, you get confirmation that you successfully submitted the enrollment, and it gives you the option to click this registration link to download a copy for your records. Remember, when you're re-enrolling a child, you're always enrolling for the following school year. Don't forget to repeat this process for any other children you have returning to Pattonville in the fall.